Welcome to our presentation on understanding friction, where we explore the force that opposes motion. In this presentation, we will delve into the concept of friction, its types, effects, and its significance in our daily lives. We'll see how friction can be both a necessity and a hindrance in various situations. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover: the definition of friction, its types, factors affecting it, ways to increase and reduce it, its importance, and both its positive and negative effects. Friction is the force that opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It exists in all situations where surfaces are in contact, including solids and fluids. There are several types of friction. Static friction keeps objects at rest, while sliding friction, also known as kinetic friction, occurs when objects move. Rolling friction occurs when an object rolls over a surface, and fluid friction, or drag, plays a significant role in aerodynamics and hydrodynamics. Each type of friction has a coefficient indicating how much frictional force exists relative to the normal force. These coefficients vary based on the materials involved. The texture of surfaces and the area of contact between them significantly affect friction. Rougher textures increase friction, while smoother surfaces reduce it. Environmental conditions like humidity and temperature can influence friction. Speed of movement also impacts the friction experienced. Contaminants like dust and oil can reduce friction, while the condition of materials can change the surface texture over time, affecting friction. To increase friction, we can create rougher surfaces or add texture to materials. For example, tire tread patterns are designed to maximize grip. Materials like rubber are used to increase friction due to their high coefficient. Specialized coatings can also enhance friction for better control and performance. In industrial settings, adding weights or pressure can increase friction. Innovative tool designs also help reduce slippage and provide a safer grip. Lubricants are commonly used to reduce friction by creating a film between surfaces, allowing them to slide past each other more easily. Powdered substances and mechanical arrangements like bearings can reduce friction. Surface treatments modify material characteristics to lower friction. Advancements in technology have led to the development of friction-reducing coatings, such as Teflon, which significantly lower friction in high-performance applications. Friction is essential for walking, writing, and gripping objects. It is crucial in construction and manufacturing processes, enabling vehicles to start and stop as expected. Friction causes wear and tear, leading to maintenance costs for machinery. It generates heat, which can affect the alignment and performance of components. In workplaces, friction-related accidents can occur due to wet or oily surfaces. Anti-slip coatings and proper drainage can reduce these hazards, promoting safety. In vehicles, friction can create challenges during high-speed maneuvers. Excessive friction can reduce control and stability, increasing the risk of skidding or losing traction. In sports like basketball and soccer, friction between shoes and the playing surface is crucial for athlete performance. Appropriate footwear designs maximize traction, allowing players to accelerate quickly, change direction, and maintain balance. Different sports require specific levels of friction based on the movement patterns involved. For example, track athletes often wear spikes that dig into the ground to provide maximum grip during sprints, while long-distance runners may prefer shoes that offer a smoother glide with moderate friction. Friction also plays a significant role in ball sports. The surface texture of balls can affect how they move through the air or interact with surfaces, influencing factors such as spin, speed, and accuracy during play. In sports such as tennis or golf, the friction between the racket or club and the ball can determine the type of spin applied, significantly impacting gameplay strategies and outcomes. Athletes often engage in training that enhances their ability to utilize friction effectively, such as practicing on different surfaces to adapt their techniques and optimize their performance according to varying grip levels. Sports equipment manufacturers continuously innovate by using advanced materials and designs that enhance grip and control. For instance, the implementation of specialized rubber compounds and patterns on shoe soles is aimed at maximizing performance by improving the player's connection with the playing surface. Friction is an essential force that influences daily activities profoundly. Understanding its properties and effects can help in various fields, from engineering to sports. Science textbooks on mechanics, online resources on physics and material science. Thank you for watching.